We took popular YouTubers out on the Speed Academy lapping day in our lightly modified Supra to get their reaction to the car and Chris's driving. This is part 2 where we took out Ben and Ben from Gears and Gasoline and none other than the infamous Mr. Goose to get their opinion on our Supra.
So I was here when Jackie was testing his out and he did like a 119 in stock form, so I can't imagine. Yeah. So this will be the fastest I've ever gone around TMP.
Oh, that's some pressure.
Yeah, I haven't cracked 20s before, so.
Alright. Don't fuck up then.
Just don't hit the wall and I'm okay. Surprised with that shifting, man. It keeps it so settled. Yeah, I mean, I've seen what like Jackie can do compared to other cars that are all modded out and everything, and it's like, yeah, it's just an unbelievable car.
Yeah. That's the one thing they should have changed. What is that? That is not a BMW horn.
That thing is nuts. Like, the shifts are so smooth. The car stays completely settled. Yeah. Just, it doesn't feel real. It's incredible.
It was good. We did an 19.1 and then
I was gonna ask
18.7.
Nice.
So pretty good.
And that's with me in there. You'd be like,
there was a bit of traffic. There's lots of excuses that we can tell.
Yeah, yeah.
I hit a pylon, all that stuff. If you stay in the middle of the track, the car gets flat, and then you turn in, the car's gonna grip and turn.
Yeah.
When Ben got into the Supra, it made a horrible screeching noise. The session before, we were hooting the Supra pretty hard. Maybe it had something to do with that.
Is it a dust shield thing, do you think? Maybe. Holy. Fixed! Did I just fix it? I think you just fixed it. It's fixed. Fixed. Well, we just, Ben fixed my car. No. He hit it with a wrench.
I hit it with a wrench and then you drove it back and forth and then it fixed itself.
This is that other Ben behind us?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, dude. Oh, the pull is unreal. Wow, very slow, huh? Oh, jeez.
Weird offline pass.
Yeah. Almost 200 on the front straight, dude.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I've never seen somebody give a pass like that.
This car is wild. It's so fast. Like the ZF transmission shifts just like there's no delay in power, and it's just like non-stop. And Chris was just like hanging it out everywhere, just sliding around. Who was doing that? Probably gonna come in a couple seconds faster if you decided to like keep it in a straight line. Yeah, this thing is wild. This is like everybody gets like upset because it's not like the old Mark IV or something like that. But this car is so much faster than a Mark IV Supra could ever be in delay. But yeah, I mean 400 feels ripping. Like you come out of a corner and it just like the car's like digging for it, like just digging for grip, and then you just rock it out. We were hitting almost 200 kph on the front straight, like 195 or something.
Oh god, my helmet is so disgusting.
It's like the worst experience ever.
Oh god, it's so gross.
So you've driven these before. You did a review on it, right? The press launch.
Yeah, I really like this car. So what's done to this?
It's got a boot mode flash, downpipe, R888Rs, and we bled the brakes, and that's it. Stock brake pads, stock suspension. Yeah.
Is there a power increase?
Yeah. So we've only dynoed it stage 1 without the downpipe. It made around 390 wheel horsepower.
Okay.
Right now I think it's probably around 420, maybe 410.
Okay.
Probably 460, 470 torque.
Okay.
And that's it. Yeah. Simple. Lots of traffic today.
Yep.
Buying Toyos again.
Oh, this sucks.
What do you think?
The car is amazing. It really is. I mean,
I always get tripped out when people are so calm and they're just like, but you've obviously done a lot of tracking before, so
yeah,
that's very obvious.
I mean, when I drove this, I got a really good sense for how high the threshold was going to be for it once you start really getting tires, suspension, brakes, how much faster it is.
Yeah.
But once you really get a good suspension setup in here, like probably the Radical stuff from Essex, the brakes on the front of this thing, it's gonna...
We actually have those on order already.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna fucking tear it up, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, it already tears it up.
That's the thing, like, the one thing I really dislike is the long pedal travel on track. It's awful.
Yeah.
So hopefully we ordered the track kit, but the smaller version of the two.
Yeah.
So hopefully that'll relieve that.
It's gonna make the brakes so ridiculous, dude.
Yeah.
Man, I can't wait to see what you do with it over time.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
But thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thanks, dude. So I just got a ride along in the Touge Tuning Supra, and I was already a huge fan of this car, specifically track driving. You can tell how high the limits are gonna be with tires, brakes, all that stuff. And this thing, I just drove my Atom all day long, and getting out of this, you can almost brake deeper. It feels about the same speed in the straights. It's more stable. Again, I can't believe how capable this thing is. I think people are going to be totally blown away by it as the aftermarket picks up. The power level's nuts, but the factory brakes suck. The tires on here are not the greatest, and the suspension's a little bit soft, but people are going to be flying. So I really enjoy driving this. Check it out.
So we had a fun day. We had a ton of track time.
Oh yeah, like more track time than like anybody really needs. We actually need more jerry cans.
4 jerry cans.
4 jerry cans. And this was filled up in this morning and arrived here with only one dash missing.
Yeah.
So basically 3/4 of a tank to, yeah, ran all day, no issues. We had one weird issue, which you'll probably be able to see on, I had my helmet on and stuff like that. It was an awful sound, and I was like, oh, the brakes are done. The brakes are kind of done on this side. The brake pads, I should say. But it turned out to be something with a dust shield. So yeah, something was stuck in the dust shield. We played around with it. The tall Ben from Gears and Gasoline got a wrench from somebody and started hitting it. I turned the wheel and we magically fixed it, so that was good. want to say super bad things about the R888Rs, but I am not impressed. They get to a point where like you get a couple corners that are good, and then they fall off. So like you're building up, and then they fall off, and you're like, what just happened? Good for drifting.
Drift time, yeah.
But I don't think that I would buy another set for
competition.
For any sort of like track
Fast.
use. I think, I can see maybe like it being okay for drag racing or something like that. But I think we need maybe like a set of Trofeo Rs or RE71s.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to send us some good tires, we're into it.
Send fuel, send tires, send brakes.
Fuel, send tires, send brake pads. Hopefully our AP Racing brake kit comes from Essex soon.
That'd be awesome.
Overall a great day.
Fun day.
I really do hope that they have more of these events, bringing different people out and bringing fans around. I think this is a great way to get enthusiasts to meet, see cars that maybe they're not going to see all the time. So well, how did you find the day?
It was a good day. I mean, like, I didn't drive today, but I got around and I actually spoke to everybody from the major YouTube supporters for this track event. Gears and Gasoline, Savagegeese, Straight Pipes, and also Speed Academy. All super friendly guys, so approachable. They'll talk to you like, it's a car meet. They'll tell you all about their cars. They were taking people out for rides, and we wanted to return the favor, give out some rides in our car, and it was just a lot of fun. Just a lot of fun.
Yeah, today was a lot of fun. Now we need to go eat.
Now we gotta go eat and drive back.
Pack up the trailer.
Pack up the trailer.
Peace.